I found a glitch. I don't know what gun you use, but I'm using a shotgun. I'll write to the glitch because it's almost straight in front of me. I just have to. So I'm going to trust this. You guys may not be able to see that really well, but yeah. Yeah, down here. You just sprint at this, dive and dive, and it says prone blocked. And now people, they just run past you. See, the guy there just runs past. You can't move though, it just says prone blocked. You can look up and down. Whatever else, it just says prone blocked. So, yeah, I hope this works for you guys, and yeah, hopefully do well with it. To shoot someone, you just pop up and shoot, obviously. So, yeah, hope to see you guys in my next video.